So this is NoProbLemo, a heavyweight combat robot.
I'm Joshua Schofield. I'm a student and a research engineer. It's been a bit of a journey to get myself where I am today. I did a 4-year engineering apprenticeship, and then I carried on working for a little bit, and then I decided to go to university and study towards a master's in astronautics and space engineering. The 4-year apprenticeship was far beyond my expectations. I enjoyed myself so much. I learnt so many transferable skills.
So during the COVID-19 pandemic during 2020, myself and a group of other engineers here at NPL, we got together and we developed a working prototype for an emergency low-cost ventilator. So this is the ventilator itself, and this is a test lung.
So I'll be starting my master's later this year. So I'm really looking forward to hopefully be able to collaborate with NPL, apply what I'm learning during my course into some real-life projects.
I really enjoy the creative side and the engineering side. The lines can blur very often as well. Myself and another group of engineering apprentices were tasked with trying to design, build and test a robot capable of winning BBC's Robot Wars. What we have is this 30-kilogram hardened steel spinner which spins away from the robot, and that's driven by a belt which is connected to a motor in here. And then we have these 2 wheels to give us differential control like a tank, so it can turn on its own circle, some batteries and some electronics which connect to a remote control to allow control of the robot for about 20 meters.
So once we designed and built the combat robot, we eventually had to get around to testing it. And for our first test, we found some unlucky pieces of fruit from the local supermarkets. Those were just juiced. They were basically vaporized immediately. It was ridiculously fun.
The majority of the combat robot was manufactured here in-house. We worked really closely with some of the experienced engineers and technicians down here to figure out what materials, what machines were best to use to manufacture a lot of the parts. For a number of the simple parts we manufactured ourselves. I really enjoy working in an engineering workshop. It really tests your practical skills and your application of theory. It's a brilliant way to apply engineering. I am quite a practical person, very hands-on, and that definitely feeds into the reason why I did an apprenticeship. So being involved in a project like this, having the support that we did, was phenomenal because I really got the opportunity to express myself, use my practical skills, apply what we were learning, and some of those skills will stay with me for a very long time.